This was made at 12:17 p.m. during the afternoon Eastern Time. This is the National Hurricane Center's outlook for the next 5 days. There is an 80% chance of it forming in the next 48 hours, and by it I mean Isaias, and a 90% chance of it forming within the next 5 days. Here is the National Weather Service's outlook for this forming, and you guys can read it. I already read it. Possible Hurricane Isaias is in some much cooler SSTs, sea surface temperatures, but it will move into some much warmer temperatures which will associate a hurricane. Do I think it'll be a major one? Nope. Our 3.4 Nino index is a neutral, so pretty favorable for this to form, but not very favorable for it to be a major hurricane. So my cone is pretty wide for when this forms because it's a while from now, so it's still going to be fairly hard to predict. If you live in these areas, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, New Jersey, keep an eye on this system. Pay attention to local weather alerts. But there's a 50-50 chance of it hitting the eastern coast. And if it hits the eastern coast, there's a 50-50 chance of it hitting the northeastern or the southeastern. But also it could potentially almost get to the coast, or it could but it could just totally avoid the coast. It's a very unpredictable system. Here is the intensity guidance. To me, it looks like it could be probably a Category 1, maybe a weak Category 2. Douglas is now a Category 1, but is still kind of hitting Hawaii. It's a little past Hawaii, but still Hawaii is going to experience the outer bands. Here is the outlook regarding Douglas. Here is the intensity guidance for Hurricane Douglas. It is headed down. It is right now a strong Category 1. Down in the bottom of this image, do you see that lightning? Well, that is lightning seen from space. That is how intense the storms are in possible Hurricane Isaias. The National Weather Service really does have a point on how it's weakening since last night. The satellite imagery is not quite as convincing. You can see that there's strong parts here and there, but really that's not very organized compared to what we saw last night. I wanted to go over a real quick review of Hannah, which got to be a Category 1 and hit southern Texas and northern Mexico as a Category 1. Now it is a tropical depression or the remnants of Hannah, and it is in central Mexico. Here is its path. Bye, thanks for watching. This is an image that I caught in the most latest storm. But anyways, make sure to share and subscribe. Share this to anybody who needs to know about these possible tropical storms and hurricanes. And also, make sure to like the video. Also, click the bell to get notified every single time I upload a video.